Welcome to this step-by-step guide on updating the background of your WordPress website. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the WordPress website. Once you arrive at the home page, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There you will find the login option. Click on this option to begin the process of signing into your account. After clicking login, you will see several methods for accessing your account. For a fast and secure option, choose the Continue with Google button. When you do this, a list of your available Google accounts will appear. Simply select the Google account associated with your WordPress site. This choice streamlines the authentication process and allows you to continue without unnecessary delays. Once you have successfully logged in through your Google account, you will be taken to your WordPress dashboard. Look for the section labeled Quick Links, where several key options for site management are provided. Within this Quick Links section, you will see an option called Edit Site. Click on Edit Site to open the Visual Site Editor, where you can customize various aspects of your website. When the editor loads, identify your website from the list and click on it to begin the editing process. This step is important because it ensures that you are making changes to the correct site, especially if you manage multiple websites under the same account. Once your website is open in the editor, focus your attention on the top right corner of the interface. Here you will find an option simply called Styles. This area houses all the visual customization settings that allow you to modify colors, fonts, and backgrounds among other elements. Click on Styles to access these design options. Within the Styles menu, locate the Background section. The background settings control how your site appears behind the main content. In this section, seek out the option labeled Add Background Image. Clicking on this will reveal further choices. You now have the opportunity to select the image you want to use for your site's backdrop. At this point, you will be prompted to decide whether to upload a new image file from your computer or choose an existing image from your media library. Both choices are valid depending on whether you have a new image ready for upload or prefer to reuse an image already associated with your site. After you make your selection, proceed by browsing your computer files or scrolling through your media library. Choose the image that best suits your design aesthetic and the overall look you wish to impart on your website. Once you have selected your preferred image, confirm your choice and allow the system to apply the image to your website as the background. Take a few moments to examine the updated appearance of your site to ensure the new background complements your content and design. Adjustments are simple to make if the chosen image does not immediately meet your expectations, so feel free to experiment with different images from your media library or new uploads. This process effectively updates your WordPress site's background, giving your website a fresh and personalized look. Enjoy the enhanced visual appeal of your site and continue exploring other customization options available within the WordPress editor to further reflect your unique style.